This is not an answer you have given. Anyway, we have to tolerate these things. Sir, this is not an answer to avoid the answer. You say you didn't say the answer. Anyway, sir, second supplementary. Sir, it is nice to see from the reports of the central government, the state-wise estimated unemployment rate during 2022 and 23, so far West Bengal is concerned, only 2.2. Only 2.2. Whereas Kerala, such a literate state, 7%. Rajasthan is 4%. Sir, my question is, you see, in the answer it has been given in the various ministries, department, governments of India, like micro, small, minimum ministries, so and so. Different schemes you have said about this, I do not want to repeat. What is an employment? Employment, there should be a relationship of employee and employer. It consists of posts. Because of introduction of certain schemes, some job can be created, but it doesn't create an employees and employer relationship. Employment is completely different thing. Sir, earlier, because of in our country, the employment concept was central government, etc., private sector. Laws were made applicable before termination. Like in the central government, the laws are there. Private sector, Industrial Disputes Act was made inapplicable. So that the laborers should not be unemployed because of the hire and fire policy of any employer. Now, whether the central government is having this scheme today, in a private sector you don't have any control. Hire and fire policy is being applied and so many workers are being thrown out. Now the question is therefore, how you will save, how you will give the security of employment in the minds of the workers who are working in a private establishment, and whether you will be seriously thinking to bring a legislation to control these private sectors so that hire and fire policy is not made applied and the workers are not thrown into employment.
माननीय मंत्री जी।
स्पीकर सर, नौकरी में नौकरीदाता कभी अपने